artistic family. I am back with a 12 by 24 inch canvas. If you guys are caught up with my last couple videos, I did a gorgeous butterscotch ripples, what I call it, because of these stunning colors, warm, soft metallics, and a bit of satin enamel. And I also gave you guys a tour of my art studio. My new one, new and improved, yay, yay, happy dance, happy dance. So if you haven't, check it out. I will link that for you. Okay guys, so the reason why I'm pouring over this, because I absolutely loved it, and it's so shimmery and vibrant right here, is it dried a little funny. Now you could call this texture in some areas, but anyways, I had some leftovers and made up some more satin enamel. So I thought, you know what, I love that color palette. Let's go at it again, kind of in a different style. So I have the Parchment by Liquitex here, okay? It is probably about a trace, which means it's thinner than my Slight Mound and thicker than my Pearl Pours and Dutch Pours, okay? Very creamy, yummy, warm, soft colors, warm tones. Okay, and then I have bronze once again, gorgeous. Bronze and Parchment, which I did add a little bit of titanium white to the satin enamel, or to the Parchment, as well as their satin enamel in it. But it's not as thin as what I normally do, so I may or may not get some puffy, cloudy effects or cells, but I wanted it a little thicker because I do want to do a swipe as well. And then I was kind of debating the chocolate, but I am gonna give it a try here with it because I know the colors work. And the silver and this gold is always amazing. So the other reason why I'm using this color palette again right now is because I had that gorgeous ripple from the last pour, the look of it as well as how it ran off the canvas, and I kind of went in on a close-up in the video and showed you guys. It was absolutely stunning, and it had me thinking about some of my upcoming abstract paintings that I'm going to be doing, and I wanted to keep the skin. So I have my parchment paper here, this covering here on my table I just got from the dollar store because it's glass, and the paint again just peels off of this as well, but I'm so picky and I really would like to keep it clean, so I'm kind of just putting my parchment paper over the top of it. Okay, wow. So even though a lot of this is going to go anyway, the lines and stuff that you make, oh, that's pretty. They often still show up. So the pattern, it still gives you a variation of patterns that way. And I also like soft blending the colors. There's my drips, guys, you know I love. Ooh, that looks so good. That looks so good there. So good. And because the satin enamel, I am disturbing the paint. So when you do that, you help promote the properties. Just go right over that. Some more of that satin enamel. Okay, go with the directions. All right, so that's, like I said, just a little soft one here. And I want to say I want to add a bit more silver, and I do. Okay. And again, a lot of this will go, but a lot of it you will still see. And I love the gold and the silver with this parchment. Okay guys, So let's do that. Be mindful in which way I tilt, because I want some of those skins. Now you guys might notice too that I've been kind of adding paint as I pour. It's also to save, and I also find that it's easier for me to keep the design and stuff I want if I don't put that much, if I'm more conscious of the colors, the amount of paint actually. It's going on the canvas. Okay. So moving it around, I think I see a couple chunks.